Hey, I'm Steven and this is Solving the Money Problem. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be reacting to the GMC Hummer EV Reveal, a huge, spectacular, groundbreaking event that's going to change the future of electric vehicles and transportation forever. Yeah. Don't forget, if you'd like 3 free stocks, check out the link in the description to WeBull. Sign up, open a new account, deposit $100. You'll get 3 free stocks, 2 of them valued between $8 and $1,600 each. And if you're in Australia, the UK or New Zealand, you can get a free stock with stake, also using the link in the description. Let's get back to it.
The real revolutionaries are the ones that change the game forever. Understanding strength is never enough. Evolving, imagining, seeing the world not as it is, but how it could be. That's how true greatness is realized. That is how you change the world.
There it fucking is, simulated vehicles shown. They've taken a leaf out of the Nikola vaporware playbook. Generate a few nice pretty pictures of something that doesn't actually exist. Pull some specs out of your rectum without actually knowing whether or not you'll be able to deliver on those specs. And then take pre-orders and reservations in limited quantities for special limited editions, so you create a sense of scarcity when they very quickly sell out. Now I have no doubt that the GMC Hummer EV will eventually make it to market. But whether or not they can deliver on their promised specifications, that is a whole other story. Is it just me? Let me know in the comments. Does anyone else find it kind of pathetic to be watching this Hummer EV just shredding it up off-road knowing that it's a fucking computer-generated video? Or is it just me? I mean, I'm kind of not cool with that. The whole idea is like, oh, look, it's off-road, it's awesome, it's fucking tough as shit, it's a Hummer EV. And somebody's been coding that up on their 3D animation program, rather than actually putting that vehicle out into the environment it's being shown in. I mean, like, guys, really? I mean, it's just so tough and revolutionary, we haven't even made it yet. Alright, I am being a little bit of a dick here, but do you guys just see the birds just go flying off that tree, kind of like suggesting this beast of a monstrosity? Well, guess what? It's an EV. It's gonna be fairly quiet. I mean, I kind of get where they were going with this big tough thing outside. But yeah, it's an EV, guys. It's probably not going to be like scaring birds, a big flock of birds to fly out of a tree because it's quiet, because you know, there's no internal combustion going on. Just saying.
With no limits, no emissions, and no equals.
Is it just me, or does anyone else find this marketing wankery just repulsive? Like, what is this no limits, no equals BS? Do we really want to go no limits? So unlimited top speed, unlimited range, unlimited charging speed, unlimited storage capacity.
It will leave everything you thought possible in a cloud of dust.
In a cloud of simulated dust.
The quiet revolution begins with a nearly silent all-electric propulsion system that offers 1,000 horsepower, 11,500 pound-feet of torque. And for the brave souls who dare to engage watts to freedom.
I can't deal. Like, look, maybe I'm outside the IQ range that this marketing shite's actually effective on, but like, the whole thing that a GMC is coming out now, it's like, and for the brave souls who dare to engage watts to freedom! America, fuck yeah!
Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah! Thrill of accelerating 0 to 60 in approximately 3 seconds.
America, fuck yeah!
Freedom is the only way, yeah! The thrill of accelerating 0 to 60 in approximately 3 seconds.
Am I hearing things, or did they just say, the brave, accelerating 0 to 60 in approximately, because they don't actually have a vehicle yet and they can't promise specs whether it's under or over? No, approximately 3 seconds.
innovation continues with the next generation of Super Cruise, a driver assistance feature that offers hands-free driving with automatic lane changing on compatible roads.
I wonder how many compatible roads there are.
For remarkable driving precision, Hummer EV is engineered with segment-exclusive four-wheel steering to reduce turning radius and enhance overall maneuverability.
Dude, I feel so bad for interrupting constantly, but I just can't not. Like, they now have computer-generated imagery of a computer-generated Hummer being assembled, okay? They haven't made one of these things yet. They've included CGI of a thing being built. It's like so fake and disingenuous. I just can't cope. I need to do a walk off. I'm going to smoke a joint. I'm going to come back and calm the fuck down.
Want the leading edge of electric vehicle technology?
Then buy a Tesla because it ain't GMC tech.
We engineered the Detroit-built Hummer EV with Ultium batteries and drive units to maximize energy storage for an estimated range of 350 plus miles. And with 800-volt DC fast charging up to 350 kilowatts, you can charge nearly 100 miles in just 10 minutes. Things get even more revolutionary when you head off the pavement.
Oh, here we go. We're about to go off-road in this computer-generated tough as shit Hummer. I can't wait to see how it performs off-road in this computer-generated video. Yeah!
Because off-road dominance is engineered into every aspect of the GMC Hummer EV. It all starts with towering ground clearance, made possible by specially engineered 35-inch tires for an optimal balance of on- and off-road performance. And it's 37-inch tire capable for those who demand even more. With customizable drive modes, Hummer EV puts a whole new level of off-road mastery at your fingertips. Want to take on the toughest obstacles? Initiate the available first-of-its-kind Extract mode, and Hummer EV activates its adaptive air ride suspension to lift approximately 6 inches. That's revolutionary breakout capability.
For the 0.5% of future Hummer EV users who actually take the vehicle off-road rather than just driving around in urban areas trying to compensate for their lack of height, lack of inches in the pants, lack of self-esteem or something else, not always the case, but very often, let's be honest. For those that actually do head off-road, I think 6 inches is enough to satisfy the needs of most consumers.
For driving information in real time, UltraVision offers a segment-leading number of camera views with up to 18, including underbody forward and rear-facing cameras. So you can enhance performance, maximize capability, and leave the world behind. But we didn't stop there. With a revolutionary new setting called Crab Walk, Hummer EV has the ability to drive diagonally for an agility no other truck can match.
Credit where it's due. Although this is a gimmick, it does have some utility for those who actually take their vehicles off-road. Had to do something to compete with the Rivian tank turn, right?
And full underbody armor and rock sliders help make Hummer EV ready to conquer even the toughest terrains. It's innovation engineered to ensure domination. But Hummer EV is much more than an off-road beast. From the distinctive signature of its 6-bar grille to its micro-optic welcome, walk-away, and battery charging animations, every aspect of the Hummer EV has been designed to look and act unlike anything out there. Hummer EV delivers an unprecedented combination of innovation and luxury. The industry-leading infinity roof, transparent sky panels, and rear drop glass give the Hummer EV an immersive open-air design so you can experience the world like never before, or even the universe for that matter.
That is a weird and questionable thing to say given that Tesla, who are currently dominating electric vehicles, have already got one of their vehicles in space in transit to Mars.
The first and only one of its kind, Hummer EV.
Yay, the first and only one of its kind. I'm so excited. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Go Hummer. So excited, can you tell?
Be among the first to own the revolutionary Hummer EV. Reserve your all-electric Cybertruck now at gmc.com.
Hell yeah, time to reserve my Hummer EV. I can't wait. Oh no, the Hummer EV Edition 1 available in 2021 is sold out. Reservations are full. I wonder how many reservations they had. 3? 10? What was the limit? 12? 100? 1,000? That's okay, I'll just get the Hummer EV 2, starting at $80,000, available in 2024. Right. Yeah, I can wait till 2024. That's only 4 years. Perfect. All right, let's reserve my Hummer now. Yeah, great, fantastic. What? Choose your dealer. Wait a minute. All right, let's just pick a random dealer. Okay, great. I'll choose this dealer. Fantastic. Wait a minute. We need your contact information to allow your selected GMC dealer to contact you about your reservation and finalize the sale of your new vehicle. Great, I have to deal with a fucking dealer to buy my GMC Hummer EV. Boy, I can't wait to wait 4 years and then have to go into a physical car dealership and negotiate with a car salesman or saleswoman on the price, terms, conditions, features, and throw-ins, add-ons, etc. Wow, what an exciting experience. I can't wait. So to sum up my thoughts on the GMC Hummer in a nutshell, at this point in time, I don't trust them to deliver on the specs. I don't think the vehicle is going to be compelling in any way, shape or form. Sure, for certain people who have a certain aesthetic need or want something that's super different looking, cool. I mean, you could have got the Cybertruck, it's half the price, twice the performance, blah, fucking blah, blah, blah. But hey, you need to be different, sure, buy a Hummer EV. But between you and me, every time I hear the Hummer, the only thing I can think of is my old mate Trent from Punchy.
Yeah, she gives me a fucking Hummer. Fucking tickles your balls, you're like, that's mad. Makes you get the tingles, bro. You're like, ah, fucking Hummers. So fucking sick.
And on that disturbing note, I'm Stephen Mark Ryan. This is Solving the Money Problem, and I love you all. Don't forget, if you'd like 3 free stocks, check out the link in the description to WeBull. Sign up, open a new account, deposit $100. You'll get 3 free stocks. 2 of them valued between $8 and $1,600 each. And if you're in Australia, the UK or New Zealand, you can get a free stock with stake, also using the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you have any ideas for future videos, let me know. I read all your comments. P.S. If you're still watching, you're awesome. If you'd like early access, exclusive videos, regular Q&As, our private Discord server and more, consider supporting the channel at patreon.com/solvingthemoneyproblem so I can keep creating content for you guys. There's a link in the description. You can now also become a member of the channel for some exclusive perks. To learn more, click the join button next to subscribe. And don't forget to check out our merch store. Either way, the best form of support is you being here and watching, so thanks again.